What's up?
You're going into round 2.
That's right.
Big tire. How you feeling?
Actually, I'm going into round 3.
Is it round 3? Oh, well, you got the buy, yeah. So you got the buy. You're going to go straight to round 3.
What's
and
it,
then
what do you call it? Technical buy or something, right?
technical
right
buy. And then, so you'll have to race the semifinal because you probably can't get 2 buys.
I don't know.
I don't know how. Nobody knows how any of this works.
Because I really didn't have a buy. I actually got Tommy.
Yeah.
He's just
I have
a
no
mechanical failure.
But there's only like, at most, you'll race 2 more people at most.
Yeah, next is Pro Mods coming up.
Pro mods are coming up. You gonna take them out?
Well, we'll see what happens.